Ganito yan, no? I will not be technical about it, but I can be a little legal about it. There's a principle in law that we say, what you cannot do directly, you cannot do indirectly. What you cannot do directly, you cannot do indirectly. So, dyan nagmumula ang mga premise natin. Kaya sinabi natin na pinag-aaralan natin yung kaso ng Solar Philippines at yung pagbebenta nitong spin-off company under as a subsidiary and intimately related to Solar Philippines. So yun eh. We have to look at it from that point of view. Kung hindi pwede mo ibenta yung isa, gagawa ka naman ng kontrata, gagawa ka ng subsidiary, baka naman pinaiikutan mo na yung batas. It's common sense to all of us. Should be common sense to all of us na hindi dapat nangyayari yan. But anyway, that being the case, pinag-aaralan talaga namin yan. Kasi nga, hindi ito simple case lang ng violation of franchise. It goes deeper into the country's energy picture. Kasi kung ganyan ang mangyayari sa atin, merong kukuha ng ganyang franchise, exclusive at that, more of a monopoly, we will base our energy plan because of actuations of this company, which later on turned out to be very questionable. Siyempre, you have to examine the milieu. Tingnan mo yung nangyayari. Kasi nga, yung energy mix ng bansa, mahalaga yan eh. Dapat dyan, seryoso tayo dyan. Hindi ito laro lang. Makakala na ibang tao, laro lang to. This is very important to the country. Kaya natin pinag-aaralan yan. Alam ko yan, you want to get into that, no? Pero sinasabi ko sa iyo, what you cannot do directly, you cannot do indirectly. Take it from that. I will not go into details. It is something for our investigators to determine. Sa akin yan, yung mga technical na nangyari dyan, wala sa akin yan. Ang mahalaga, alam natin, nag-spin-off siya at nabenta nga yung spin-off na hindi, sabi ko nga, hindi pwedeng gawin directly, hindi mo pwedeng gawin indirectly. Again. Di ba? Kung nag-spin-off ka ng kumpanya, meron kayong kontrata, yung kumpanya mo, tsaka yung spin-off mo, tinali mo na yung kontrata. Siyempre, magkaka-value yung spin-off mo. Ano tawag doon? Hindi, yung nga, fina-fine na nga siya ng DOE, di ba? May fine na nga yung DOE. Oo, siyempre, oo. Ano yan eh? All of these contracts are all vetted by the DOE and approved by them. It goes into the energy mix of the Philippines. It goes into the projection of our country's energy needs. Pag niloko-loko mo lang yan, pag hindi mo inayos, paano tayo?
Dalawa yung pwede.
Oo, kasi nga, monopoly nga yan eh. Monopoly na, virtual monopoly yan. Ang daming pinahirapan yan nung panahon na nandyan yan. Yung mga nagtatayo na solar noon, ayaw bigyan ng feed-in tariff. Kasi nga, monopoly nga yan eh. Nagkalintik-lintik tayo dyan.